Here we have a 03 Polaris Ranger 500. It was getting coolant in the oil. I haven't been able to find any videos about removing the actual oil seal. So I took out the mechanical seal first, and then you have the oil seal back in there. And I got the new one already. It's right here. But there's no videos about how to actually get the old seal out. So what I did was I took a pick like this one. I reached up in there, kind of angled like this, and I pushed it until it hooked on, and I pulled a little bit. Then I pulled it out. I went on this side, pushed it in, and I pulled, and I could see it start to move. Just came right out. So now I'll just take I got a piece of this Rev'em Brillo. I'm gonna reach in there the best I can and try to polish everything, clean it up, and then I'll put the new seal in. You just find a socket that's about the size of the seal here, a little bit smaller than the hole it goes in. So that's it. Seal is a 16 mil deep ball Craftsman socket. Looks like it'll fit pretty nicely. I'm doing this with one hand. See here, it fits real nice. It's slightly smaller than the hole. Put that in.